and we're doing the Higher Mathematics 2015 paper 2, and we're doing the very last one, which is question 9. The blades of a wind turbine are turning at a steady rate. The height each metres of the tip of one of the blades above the ground at a time t is given by the formula h is 36 times the sine of 1.5t. Take 15 cos 1.5t plus 65. Okay, first thing you have to do is express 36 times 1.5t. Take 15 cos 1.5t in the form k sine 1.5t plus take alpha. So here we go there. First thing we do is we look at our formula sheet, and what's the sine of a take b? Sine a cos b take cos a sine b. So we've got to adapt, of course. Sine 1.5t cos alpha take cos 1.5t sine alpha. Multiply through by k and swap these round. So it's k cos alpha times sine 1.5 take k sine alpha cos 1.5t. I'm comparing things. We have sine 1.5t up there, 36. So k cos alpha has to be 36. The negative is taken care of us here, so we don't have to worry about that. K sine alpha would have to be 15 then. Getting the calculators out, k squared would be 36 squared plus 15 squared, 1521. Take the square root, to k is 39. Cos and sine are both positive, so cos alpha is 36 over 39, 22.6 degrees. Don't forget, they need these in radians, so don't forget how you change degrees to radians. So 180 degrees is pi radians, so 1 degree is pi over 180, so x amount of degrees is x pi over 180. So we have 22.6 degrees times pi over 180 gives you 0.395 radians. Okay, so that gives you 0.395. There we go. So sine 36 sine 1.5t take 15 cos 1.5t is 39 sine 1.5t take 0.395 radians. Okay, and then they ask for find the two values of t for which the tip of the blade is at a height of 100 metres. Okay, well that's a formula for the height of the blade. If it's got to be at 100 metres, then this has to be at 35 metres. Plus 65 gives 100. So 39 sine 1.5t take 0.395 has to be 35. Divide the 35 by 39 and you get sine 1.5t take 0.375 is 0.897. Do a shift sign of that. Don't forget to change your calculator to radian mode for this, and you get 1.5t take 0.395 equaling that, so it's equal to 1.114. And don't forget how you get the other one when you're talking about sine. If sine's positive, you take it away from 180 degrees if you were talking degrees. Here we're talking pi though, so it's pi take 1.114, and there you get it there, 2.423. So divide both of them by 1.5 and you get 1.006 seconds, and that divided by 1.5 gives you 1.615 seconds.